Welcome back to Learn to Ride. Today we're going to deal with one of the biggest challenges for new riders, learning how to deal with junctions, roundabouts, traffic lights and any other road situations and knowing how to deal with them. Let's start with junctions and our positioning and how to approach them. The base element is on our road, within our lane, we divide our road into 3/3. We have our central positioning in the road, effectively in line with, say, a car's rear view mirror or their gearbox line. That would be classed as position 2. We use that position to just continue straight down the road, nice and safe, dominating our lane. We then divide into position 1, slightly to the left of us, okay? Or position 3, slightly to the right of us. Those two positions are, position 1, you're gonna make a left turn, position 3, you're gonna make a right turn. It has a number of benefits. By moving out, you can see down the side of any large vehicles that may be in front of you, and you make yourself more visible to oncoming cars for when doing a right turn. Same with the left, you're blocking off any potential dangers, okay? Such as cyclists, anything like that. And again, it does help with your eye line and positioning for the turns themselves. So it's a key element into making junctions safer and letting other road users know which way you might be going, okay? Indicators are small on a motorcycle, a big movement to either the left or the right, combined with the indicator, can make it clear for other road users and keep you safe. A similar process is approached for roundabouts as well. We keep the same 3 positions. If we discuss a roundabout that hasn't got lane markings, to go left or continue straight at a roundabout, you would predominantly look to use position 1, keeping yourself to the left of the roundabout and therefore keeping the danger to simply one side on the right. As you approach a roundabout, if you're turning left, and it's exit number 1, your indicator will come on the way into the roundabout. If it's exit number 2 straight ahead, your left indicator would come on as you're level with the first exit, and you'd throw a nice little right shoulder check to make sure that no one's trying to sort of get up the inside of you as you're going for the same exit. It's all about keeping you safe and looking where the danger could be. If it's a right turn at a roundabout, you would have the right indicator on as you enter the roundabout, and then prior to the exit you're taking, left indicator, left shoulder, and gradually come across as you've let other road users know what you're doing and you've checked for any danger to the side of you. As you develop more, you'll learn to recognise where the danger spots are. Other things to consider, traffic lights, for example a big cross-section traffic lights, position 1, again turn left, position 3, again turn right. However, this time on the green light you may have a 2-flow system. So you must move to the middle, wait until it's clear, have a nice little check, and then commit as long as your exit is clear and there's no oncoming traffic. To continue straight at a crossroad, I'd just advise waiting in position 2. You're still dominating your lane, okay? Confident riding, and no other road users are going to pull up next to you when you're in your own lane then. Another thing to consider, and a lot of motorcyclists understand this before they even turn up for their CBT, is filtering. Filtering is only safe to do when you can see what's ahead of you, and you need to have good observations ahead to choose a pick-in point to pull in. Stay away from filtering on solid white lines, can't cross them, okay? Other things to consider, if you're approaching a roundabout or a traffic light or wherever it is you may be filtering, consider. You may have just filtered past 15, 20 cars already. Do you really need to rush the last 2, maybe 3, maybe 1, just as they're getting ready to pull away? Because their view is looking forwards now, not expecting you to randomly appear to the side of them. Think, I've already gained so much, why risk that little bit at the end? Common mistakes when we're riding out on the road are, first of all, wrong positioning, entering into junctions or roundabouts, leaving yourselves vulnerable with space either side of you, or just simply confusing other road users that you're trying to turn left but you're way over to the right. You just want to make sure that you've got that correct positioning. Another major common mistake that people do is they simply rely only on their mirrors. If you think your vision gives you to there and your mirrors give you that same sort of angle to the back, leaving 2 blind spots to the side of you, Best thing to do, look. And that way you get a 360-degree view. It's a common mistake that can often lead students to cutting in close on other vehicles or not simply spotting danger. So make sure you're in the correct positioning and make sure you're utilising those blind spot checks that we call lifesavers to help you keep you safe on the road. Negotiating junctions and roundabouts is all about the correct positioning, further observation and confidence. Hopefully this video has helped and helped you tackle them like a pro. Which part of road riding do you find the trickiest? Drop a comment below and we can help break it down a little bit further for you.